Welcome! In this video, we will cover the different viewing options available within the scheduling page, in addition to understanding the scheduling legend. Knowing the features available to you on this page will help ensure you can optimize your scheduling practices. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the Schedule page via the Quick Action panel on the left-hand side of the screen. You are now on the Schedule page. The current date will default on the page, but you are able to use the arrows to navigate between days one at a time. You are also able to click on the date beside the arrows to quickly select a specific day, or use the monthly calendars on the top right to select a date as well. The default view will show all text, but if you would like, you can select a specific text from the drop-down to simplify the schedule view. Additionally, you are also able to adjust the daily time increments based on your preferences. 15 or 30-minute increments are both available. To assist with scheduling, hover over the I information icon for the scheduling legend to appear. The colors outlined here correspond with the colors displayed on the 2-month calendar when a property is selected. Using this legend will help ensure you are not wasting time when scheduling various services and route plans for your crews. If you would like a larger view of the schedule, click on the resize icon. You are also able to refresh the schedule to check for updates from the field without reloading the entire page by using the refresh icon. Lastly, you are able to select if you want to view the schedule by today, a specific day, week, or month. Ready to give it a go and optimize your scheduling practices? Try out some of these options the next time you log in and see what works best for you.